Hello friends, today I will talk about imagination. Imagination is the core of all the principle of Think and Grow Rich because everything starts with it. Imagination is the creation. So what is imagination? Imagination is the mental picture we prepare in our mind for our future, for our plans, for our goals. That's imagination. Because our mind thinks in pictures, in physical images. Like our eyes are there to see the present things, physical things in the environment. Same way, imagination is the key of our mind to see the things in future. And with imagination, everything is possible. And this is the gift of God to human beings. Yes, imagination is the gift of God to human beings because animals don't have this privilege. And even it's said that imagination is the creative power of our soul. Yes, you have heard it right. And I would share some example that imagination is very much miraculous. Like in biological terms, a tiny cell converts into a human being who can conquer anything. Same way, a small idea in our imagination can convert into a big success. Like the example of Reliance Industries. That was the small idea in Dhirubhai Ambani's imagination. And today you see that's such a big successful organization it is. And everything is built in two times. First in the mind of somebody and then its physical reality. For example, Taj Mahal was first built in the mind of Shah Jahan the architect. Then it came in Agra. Same way, the aeroplane which you use for long distance travel was first built in the mind of Wright brothers. Then it has come into physical reality. And even whatever we see today in our home and office, the convenience we see, everything starting from air condition, fan, gas, everything. Few years back, that was first in the mind of only someone, not in physical reality. So we can say imagination is what imagination? Imagination is with imagination we can go into future and bring it into the present. That's the power of imagination. And even imagination we can say is the hub of everything. Like we have seen the telephone wires, everything leads to the telephone exchange office to get to its power source. Same way, everything leads to imagination to become a physical reality. Next, I would like to say what Einstein says about imagination. As per Einstein, imagination is the preview of our future. Means we see our future. That's imagination. It is said, wherever mind can go, we can achieve that. So whatever we can think in mind, we can achieve that. And like we have cycle of desire to success. There are few steps: desire, plan, action and success. But to create this plan and have this desire as a burning desire, we need imagination. Imagination is like a workshop. Like for anything to be manufactured, we need a factory or the workshop. Same way, imagination is our mind's workshop where everything is being created first, then it comes into its physical reality. And it's said that whatever we see, we achieve. So we should, whatever we see, we get it. Either it is positive or negative. If we say something negative, it will come. If we say something positive, it will come. It's a cycle. For example, I have a self-talk about anything based on my past results. So based on that self-talk, I have my self-image. I have a self-image like I cannot do this, I am not good into this, I cannot able to do this. So that self-image will filter our actions. We will take our actions based on our self-image and show the results. So it will come same result. So it will create a cycle of the self-talk and the action and result. If we want to change it, what we should do? We should add our imagination, see our goals, see our plans, and fix that in our mind, and with that change our self-talk using that imagination. Once we have changed our self-talk, it will raise our self-image. Now we see, yes, I can do this, I can do this, I want this, I will do this. Same way I will take action accordingly as per my self-image, new actions, stronger action, dedicated action, and so are the results. And this result will create further my self-talk, and this will become a vicious cycle of success. That's the power of imagination. Now, we all have imagination, so it must be only active, keep active through regular use. It needs regular use. It's like exercise. If we do something regularly, it becomes our power. So how to develop the imagination? Imagination can be developed through a once known as actor technique. You must see your goal in your mind and act like you have already achieved that. This is one technique. Second thing, if you come in any situation or any plan you have to make, see as a role model technique. This is known as a role model technique. Think how your role models have been acted in this situation, how they would have been thought about. It means their role model viewpoint. Next is try new things, new exercise, new book, new reading, go to new place, attend new events which you have never attended. Practice that. Then brainstorm with the team. And next is the mastermind alliance. You see how the other people are imagining, how they are doing. So when you see an example, then you also prime yourself to get more imagination in the same way. Next is meditation. Meditation is like a relaxing our mind. So once we cut off from the past and relaxed our mind in the present, we can imagine new things, we can think of new things, because our brain is now calm, pure and empty, and it can think of new things. So you can try all this. Only request is that keep your imagination active through regular use. Thank you.